Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making chocolate chinchin. I already have my chocolate powder here. I'm also going to be making use of milk, but this time around more water as milk. Here I have nutmeg and salt. The sugar content is also reduced because the chocolate contains sugar, so that's why I reduced the sugar content. The butter content is also reduced. I have about 400 grams of flour. Stay tuned and watch me do this. I'll be starting with the flour, which is already sealed. I'm going to be adding sugar. Here I have salt and nutmeg, so I'm as well going to be sieving it. After the sieving process, I want to make sure that the ingredients are mixed together. I'll be adding butter. I want to introduce the egg. This is when the milk and the chocolate comes in. So I'm going to be mixing the milk and the chocolate here. I'm also going to be adding water immediately. Remember I told you we are making use of more water than milk. I just want to roll it a little bit here to mix up anyone that does not have chocolate mixture. Not for a long time. Yes. We have gotten the texture and the color we want. So I'm going to be leaving it in the fridge for 30 minutes. while the oil is getting hot, let me cut the chinchin to my desirable sizes. As you can see the cutting, I've already cut it. I try to cut it in equal sizes, but sometimes it is very difficult. Oil is already hot, so I'm going to be bother. Even when it is thick like this, don't bother, allow it to fry a bit, it will separate itself. I'm going to be checking how fried it is. It is not yet done. The problem you may have with chocolate chinchin is dictating when it is done, because the color may deceive you. So you really have to fry with low heat so that you will know that once it is brown, it is done. So we are going to be frying it again. Just as I said, you may likely have problem of knowing when it is done or not, because the chinchin is already brown. So another way you can also know it is to time it. When you time it, once the time is off, you will know that this chinchin is done. So I'm going to be removing it. It is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.